Hello and welcome to this video on achieving your goals. Whether it's starting your own business, getting fit, or learning a new skill, setting and reaching goals can be one of the most fulfilling experiences in life. In this video, we'll share some tips and strategies to help you achieve your goals. Set SMART goals. The first step to achieving your goals is to set them in a way that makes them achievable. The SMART goal setting framework is a helpful tool to keep in mind. SMART stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Make sure your goals meet these criteria so that you can measure your progress and stay on track. Break it down into smaller tasks. Breaking your goals down into smaller, more manageable tasks can make them seem less overwhelming. This also helps you track your progress and celebrate small wins along the way. Make a plan and schedule it. Creating a plan and scheduling time to work on your goals is crucial. Schedule specific times in your calendar to work on tasks related to your goals. This helps you stay on track and ensures that you are making progress towards your goal. Stay motivated. Motivation can be a challenge when working towards a long-term goal. One way to stay motivated is to remind yourself why you set the goal in the first place. You can also find inspiration from people who have achieved similar goals. Embrace failure. It's important to remember that setbacks and failures are a normal part of the process. Embrace failure as a learning opportunity and use it to make adjustments to your plan. Celebrate your achievements. Finally, celebrate your achievements along the way. Celebrating small wins can help keep you motivated and excited about the progress you're making. So there you have it, some tips and strategies to help you achieve your goals. Remember to set SMART goals, break them down into smaller tasks, make a plan and schedule it, stay motivated, embrace failure, and celebrate your achievements. With these tools in your toolbox, you can achieve anything you set your mind to. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.